Dear student, in Together with Art book, at page number 23, see here that beautiful tree is given. See, so many shades are there. That yellow, light green, dark green, purple, brown, black, dark brown. So today I will show you first how to draw the tree. It is very easy and simple. So we are start from down. See, same you have to see in your colorful picture and draw like this way the tree. Draw very light. See, like this way draw the light lines in your book. So here I completed that stem and branches part with pencil. Now turn to how to draw the leaf. It is very easy. Curve line you have to follow. See, like this way draw the curve line and complete your leaf. Like this way draw the leaf. Don't give the detail first, only draw the shapes. Give the tree shapes in your picture, and last we will give the outline with sketch pen, otherwise marker. So first complete your tree shapes. For the fill the colors, and then last give all the details with marker and sketch pen and draw very light. It is not mandatory to same you have to do. You can follow other shapes also, but show the all the green shades like that, light green, dark green, purple, yellow, your book. Show that all the shades in your book. So I completed pencil work. Now I will give first outline and then fill the color. This much outline I will give. So here pencil work is over. Now outline work. So give outline with sketch pen because marker will spread back side. So in all pencil work like this way, give the outline. See, first all that branches and stem I am giving the outline. Now how to give the outline in ellipse here. Don't do very big curve and do middle curve like this way and give outline in all the part. I completed my outline work. See, here that few part is left to give outline, that we will give in a last. So first in this, start from stem. Here you have to do like this way, light brown color. What? Light brown color, like this way. Do very light. Same method you have to follow in all the branches also. Here light brown color, then take a dark brown color and give shades. See, in a side part dark brown color, with the shading. Show the dark brown in a joint part, here also. Then take a black color and On the dark brown, repeat that black color. In all the stem and branches, you follow this one method and give shades with light and dark. Now take a dark green color and in this area little bit fill the dark green color also. Do some dark shading here. With a dark brown color. Mix the color black and dark brown. See student, give proper shades with light brown, dark brown and black. So here our work is over, that stem work. In all the branches also follow same method, light brown, dark brown and black. Now how to fill the green part? Fill like this way, yellow color, then take a light green color, येलो के थोड़ा ऊपर से लाइट ग्रीन स्टार्ट करना है. Then take a dark green color, dark green. See, this will do the dark shades. So now here follow with light green, and dark green. Mix the color very well. Same here also. Do yellow, light green. First complete your stem and all the branches. Then you have to start your green part work. In a leaf, last fill the color, but here only I am showing you. And take a sketch pen and see inside. So here see, inside so many curves is there. So do with sketch pen like this way, curves. Do curve line like that, leaf. तो आपका ट्री पूरा भरा हुआ दिखेगा, स्पेस दिखेगी नहीं. सी, आफ्टर fill the color, inside detail you have to fill like this way in all the part. Now in an empty part, so many spaces are there. See here, that you have to do what? Purple color. Which color? Purple. But in a last, don't do first. In a last, do the purple color like this way in an empty part. See. So here I explain how to fill the color in a stem, branches and leaf. Same method you have to follow and complete your work. So here I completed that color work. with yellow, light green and dark green. Now in a center, so many empty part is there. So there, do like this way curve shape, like a tree. So I completed that tree. You also complete your work. That page number 23. Here show the grass with yellow and light green. So like this way complete your all the work in page number 23. See, with the help of light brown, dark brown, black, light green, dark green, yellow and purple.